Move faster! The woods are infested with zombies! Hurry! Use a torch to light the campfire! Those things are closing in! Good thing zombies fear light. Stay close to the campfire, folks.
By daybreak, they'll retreat into the woods. We need to light up the surroundings with the fire. Come on, people. We got lots to do.
We reached the camp just as the torch faded. When the campfire lit up, I knew we had another day to live. Light truly brings hope.
Now we can see a bit further. Seems like this is an abandoned...
After running around all night, everyone's starving. Let's see if we can find something to eat.
Looks like there's an abandoned kitchen here. Hope to find something useful. I hope there's something to eat.
Need a hand?
Nah, just take a seat. It'll be ready in no time.
I'm starving.
Food's ready.
Finally! I'm famished.
What's that smell?
I've had enough. Chased by those darn things all night.
Even this crap is barely enough for one.